Hello, my name is Jenderson. I study modern languages mention tourism. In this video, I'm gonna read any information about the tourism. What is meant by active tourism? Active tourism occupations include recreational sport or touring occupations that are commonly developed using the resource provided by our nature in a medium, whether aerial, terrestrial, underground, aquatic, or urban, that carry danger. In our country, Punta Cana is one of your favorite destinations for active tourism in the Dominican Republic and at Occidental Caribbean. You will constantly find the best possibilities to explore it, climb to the highest peaks, overview the landscape from a bird's eye view. Everything is possible, a luxury for active explorers who want to discover the greatest natural gems of each site, no matter how far away or how high they have to climb. What is natural tourism? Natural tourism is the tourist activity that is carried out without disturbing environmental quality, promoting the conservation of natural and existing ecosystems, carrying out recreational activities of appreciation and understanding of nature through the relationship with it. The Dominican Republic is a territory with a lot of life that is framed by a prodigious nature that makes this happy island a paradise for natural tourism, national parks, ecological reserves, humid forests, desert regions, cliff caverns, waterfalls make up mosaic of landscape that, according to an analysis, have an impact on this nation, registering the highest level of happiness in all of Latin America. What was the effect of the internet in the tourism area? The technology gave the traveler the possibility of expressing his appreciation of the experience in real time, and that also orders used to adapt the way in which the industry relates to him. A post on social networks can encourage or change the choice of future visitors in a matter of seconds. The Dominican Republic has taken decades to transform into the tourist destination it is today. Until then, the use of the classic media has been exploited to the highest and has even been innovated on this with the establishment of guidelines in network programs around the world with excellent results. However, the digital acceleration, the change of behavior in the inhabitants of the whole world in the face of the Internet of Things and the prioritization of the mobile phone require a greater diversification of tactics to attract tourists, sustaining in the digital the fact that reach 10 million tourists in a decade. So thank you for listening to me. I saw you in the next video.